Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my Tilda Club today that I'm going to open for you. This is the Tilda Club from July and I want you to take a look at this box. I don't know if you could tell, it is like bouncing up from the it is like so full. So all I've done is cut the tape. I haven't opened it up yet or anything like that, but there is the box and let's check it out. Hi, Jelly Bean. Hi, baby. He's trying to come over, but I've got so much mess over here. What you gonna do, baby? Where you gonna go? Mommy's made such a mess over here. Yes, let me, oh, okay, well that took care of that. All right, hold on, I'm gonna scooch it. It's scooched. You guys, this is terrible. Seriously, I know y'all all wanna like see inside my, sewing studio, but you really don't. I'm telling you. Okay, so she has a little quote on the back of her card, and the quote says, "A friend is one who overlooks your broken fence and admires the flowers in your garden." And that was written by an unknown person. We don't know who wrote that. Oh my goodness, so she's got so much stuff in here. Okay, so I don't want to read it. She does say, "Dear Yvette, here's hoping your summer has been spent in health and that your flowers are blooming with happiness. I'm sharing a virtual glass of lemonade with you. Love, Julie." Okay, so let's get inside and start checking out what's in there. She does have her little bag of notions that she always gives us. So let's check it out. Ooh, there's lots of things in here. Okay, so we have a little baby Stroop waffle and caramel flavor. I love these. Have you guys had them? They're really good. So there's a little snack. And then we have a zipper, and it's folded in half, so that's quite a long zipper. Okay, very cute. And we have a little piece of elastic and another piece of elastic, but this one is like a string elastic. I know, Jelly Bean, I shouldn't have done that, huh? You got all excited. You got all excited. And we have an enamel pin that says Peace Quilting. I love it. Let me take it out so you can, because it seems like it might have a glare. What do you think, JB? There it is. Isn't that cool? I love it. I can't wait to put it on my board. I collect them, so I'm very excited. Okay, oh my goodness. She's given us a mini ruler pad. Pal. A mini ruler pal. And, you know, the thing is, I have so many rulers that I could never have too many of these. But Jim made me this thing that hangs on one of my shelves, and it, you know, it's got these little slats so I can put all of my rulers in them. And these are perfect for like the little ones that you don't want to get lost in there, so you can like stick them in. I love them. Thank you so much, Julie. Okay, so here's the fabric. You know, let's look at the we'll look at the pattern first. Okay, so wow, she's printed this pattern on like some very thick paper. Holy cow. Okay, so the pattern is a Tilda Essentials pouch by Karen Pratt, and that's what it looks like. This little guy here. That's really cool. And okay, so yeah, we have all the instructions on how to make it, all of the materials and cutting and just everything to make that. So very cool. And now let's open the fabric. Okay, let's get in there. I love how she always puts it in this wax paper. It's different. I've never seen people use, or anyone else use, wax paper, and I like it actually. Okay. And there's also so she has it wrapped up very nicely in here. And where's the, okay, we have 6 Tilda Bon Voyage Fat Quarters in red. look better this way. I'm going to take them all out, don't worry. And we have some fun ribbons. These are Lori Holt ribbons. And I will show you what they are after I take the little tie off. We have an enamel pin, the Essentials pouch pattern, some elastic cord and fold over elastic for the notepad sleeve, a zipper, and a treat for us, the Danish waffle treat. Okay, so let's open this up. She has her own ribbon, and I love that. Look, I'll show it to you. Does it go? Okay, so it says, handmade with love, and then it says Tilda Club USA. I'm not in the middle. And then it says, so joyful. It's very cute. Okay, so here is the ribbon from Lori Holt. And I really like them. I'm not like a big fan of this bottom one, but these other three, I've had them before. Well, I've had the whole pack before, but I really love these three up here. Those are very nice. This one, it looks like more like for people who make clothing, which nothing wrong with it. It's just not something I do, that's all. But I love this. I love it. Okay. And here are the fabrics. Here's the first one. I love how it's got like the little bunny in the middle. I like the little bunny. And then we have this medallion one. Very pretty. Am I getting close enough? I hope I'm getting close enough that you guys can make out all those details. Okay. And then we have this guy. And oh, look, this one's really pretty. See, I really like the tight prints like this. And the muted colors are really cool. And here's the next one. Oops. It's just so dainty. And the last one is this one. Awesome. Okay, so I don't know how many of you guys are in the Tilda Club, but she opens up the membership 3 or 4 times a year, and I know that it's closed right now, but every time that I hear that it's opening up, I will let you guys know. I know that the last time she was opening up, I think I remember to tell you guys, but it was like at a time that was extremely busy for me. So unfortunately, I didn't do as good a job as I could have. And I will definitely make sure that I let you guys know next time when she's opening up so that you can have a chance to get in. And so this is the, I can't wait to eat this. And I just, something just fell off my design board. It's because I turned the fan on too high. Now everything's flying around. Anywho, there you go. That is the Tilda Club for the month of July. And I will see you guys next month. Please leave any comments you have down below as long as they're very nice. We like nice comments here. Yeah, so there you go. Did you guys even get to see Jelly Bean? He's now sleeping over there. Anyway, hopefully you'll get to see him in another video today or tomorrow. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.